We flew up from Durban to join all these wonderful ladies in the walk today. It's our first time doing this, first year, and we're pretty excited.
Morning everyone! I'm Vanessa from the South African Boat Builders Export Council, Boating South Africa. It's amazing to see over 80 South African women here and all the companies represented on this global women's walk. Please everybody set your own pace, have a lot of fun, enjoy the chats.
I feel empowered, especially with the organisation that I'm with, Bureau Veritas, very pro-woman in maritime and always supporting us in whatever ventures we decide to go into.
I enjoy myself to work with a lot of guys, to see what they are up to and what they are doing in the company.
South Africa is a big boat building country, and we have fantastic dynamic women in our industry, and this is just an opportunity for people to come together and support one another.
We're just happy that we could be with all of these beautiful women this morning and do this thing. This shows women rule.
I think it promotes women. It gives us a space to stand together, to lean into each other, you know, to recognize each other, and I think that's important. I think we've got to actually start promoting each other.
You're an adventure seeker. I'm an adventure seeker. Okay. I haven't even felt a muscle yet.
Coming from a manufacturing industry where predominantly men are featured, it's so important to see how many women are actively participating within this environment. It's so good to see people from other companies, to socialise and just to spend the morning together with one another.
It's been really fun. It's nice weather, happy days, good to meet new people. It's awesome. Yes, it's nice.
A lot of schools, especially in Durban, they don't introduce you to Maritime. Not even as a female, just in general. We never had people coming to our schools to tell us about it. So I genuinely only found out about it when I started working in the company. And it's pretty fun and very different. So to be a female working in this field, it's like, yeah, eye-opening.
It's interesting, man, like just to see the boats being made from the scratch, like from the mold and things, and turning it into an actual vessel is very interesting.
As a woman, you try to improve, try to better yourself, and yeah, just being who you are.
And we also need to know that globally we are really important.
Yeah, just stand your ground and believe in yourself, you know. Don't allow the status quo to intimidate you.